How to make a song humming in Suno AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Suno AI on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, click on Create. After you're in Create, in here you'll find Audio. Click on Audio and press on Record. After you've selected record in here, simply click on the red button and start humming as it will record. After that, you can trim and save it. Press on continue. The humming part will be uploaded. After it's uploaded, you can add the song description on the left side. After you add the song description, you can add inspiration as well from the bottom and also click on instrumental. After you do this, you can press on create at the bottom. After it's created, you will find it on the right side. You can simply click on it and listen to it. This is how to make a song by humming in Suno AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.